Everyone, this is Kijima Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin to ng reaction video ang Ruel Carino, which is the music played. So one second lang, Cristong Valenzuela and taga-Pangasinan pala itong si Ruel. Akala ko talaga taga-Pangasinan siya. So masarap itong magluto ng pigar-pigar. Kasi hindi pwede maging malandi for today's video because minor. Hindi din kasi talaga. Tsaka ang pangpad niya, mami. Imagine, 5'11", 14 years old. Naku, dahil good luck talaga ito sa magiging girlfriend niya. For sure naman siguro, hindi naman sasakit yung ulo na magiging girlfriend niya. No? Kaya siya, hindi ka pwede maging girlfriend. Hindi ka pwede mag-girlfriend for today's video. Papagalitan ka namin mga auntie. Naging auntie ni Ruel for today's video. Hindi ba pwedeng kapitbahay lang na single mo? Hindi tayo pwede maging malindi kay Ruel Carino. Okay, bihig kayo kay Ruel because Ruel, alam mo kasi, explain ko sa inyo ha. Okay, aminado naman ako na may mas marami pa talagang gwapo kay Ruel. Although, lakas kasi talaga ng dating niya. And at the same time, ang tangkad niya, tapos napaka-prim and proper siya. Naniniwala ba kayo? Basta-basta, ang isang tao ay prim and proper na sa loob ang kulo. Uy, bakit yun yung sinasabi natin for today's video? Hindi ka na nyo. Kung ano-ano na naiisip ko. Ano, ang sama na nito. Wait lang. Okay, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ruel Carino sings the music played by Matt Monroe. So, yeah, without further ado, let's start this. Sa unang video talaga, marami talaga tayong mga pauses ha, pero I'll make it sure talaga na ulitin ulit natin ito without any pauses. Okay?
Alright, Ruel Carino.
Ruel Carino. Sige nga. Music played. Basically, kung si Matt Monroe talagang pinapanood ko, even the body language, even ang tingin, even the hand gesture, yung movement, ganyan na ganyan talaga si Matt Monroe. Wala na kasi akong pinapansin talaga si Matt Monroe. Anyways.
I had found the words, you might have stayed. But as I turned to speak, the music played. As lovers danced their way around the floor.
Yun, tinanong mo yung mga smile niya. Tinanong mo yung mga itsurang kanya for today's video. Hindi ka ba makutulog dyan kahit pinogin? Yung totoo, hindi ka makukul dyan. Lalaki na. Kung subon-tula yung tawag mo dyan, pero crush mo yan. Pero kidding aside, I really love the timbre talaga ng boses niya. The delivery. Alam mo, masasabi ko talaga na he is a storyteller dito. Kasi alam mo, nang narinig ko siyang kumanta ng PM Flip song. My God, he really nailed it. He really nailed it. What do you call this? Something like na-convey niya talaga ng maayos. Na-i-deliver niya talaga ng maayos. Ang kanta. And hindi lang niya na-i-deliver, kundi in-istorya niya talaga kung anong ibig sabihin. That is the most important talaga sa isang singer. Though we all know na marami talagang singer na magagaling, marami talagang singer na ano mo yung matataas ang boses, magbababa ang boses, maganda ang boses. Pero bihira na lang talaga sa singer. Yung tipo, alam mo yung makapos niya talaga yung attention mo from the start until the end. So the way they tell us is yung emotions na binibigay nila sa film. Yung talaga yun. Diba? Gwapo niya. Yung tindig niya talaga. Romantiko talaga siya, no? So wait lang. Magbibigay kayo ng suggestion. Please, ito katulad nito. Wait lang, shoutout ko. Si Ruth Tolentino, nagbigay agad siya ng link. Yan yung maganda pag gumagawa ng reaction video. May link agad. Para at least pipindutin ko na kasi mahirap maghanap. Ang dami kasing re-upload.
danced their way
Hmm.
around the floor. I sat and watched you walk towards the door.
Ako ng pilay na yun.
I heard a friend of yours suggest you stayed. And as you took his hand, the music played.
Hmm.
Across the darkened room,
Oh, that's shifting.
signs I saw.
Ang ganda ng shifting niya. He started his song in a very subtle way, and then right after that, pinaas niya. May cute kong buhok ang ginawa. It's being a transitional tawag dyan.
The darkened room,
Wait.
music played. Across the darkened room, the fatal signs I saw. You'd been something more than friends before. While I was hurting you by clinging to my pride, he had been waiting.
Ito yung maganda sa kanya. Yung tipong alam mo yung gusto niyang abutin yung what you call this, yung mataas na nota. Pero kung papakinggan mo, maaabot niya ba? Pero naaabot niya. You know what I mean? Yung tipong hindi niya binibigla. Pero unti-unti. Mahirap yun na. Hihingalin ka na.
He had been waiting, and I drove him to your side.
Yay! Ayan o, romantic ko siya dyan. Isa sa... BBM ang natin natin.
I couldn't say
Kamukha niya si Bongbong Marcos, pati yung boses.
I should have said, refuse to let my heart
Confused.
control my head. But I was made to see the price I paid. And as I lost your love, the music played.
Love that. I love that. The music played. Isa pa yung Baron BBM siya dito.
The fatal signs I saw.
Laki siya, no?
You'd been something more than friends before. While I was hurting you by clinging to my
Crispy.
pride,
That is so juicy.
he had been waiting, and I drove him to your side. I couldn't say the things I should have said.
Sabi, napaka-romantic niya talaga.
Let my heart control my head. But I was made to see the price I paid. And as I lost your love, the music played.
Nice! Ang ganda na vibrato niya sa last part. Anyways, it is all for today's video of Team Welcome to the music played by Matt Wonder. This is video of License Yellow.